They just refilled the wall. Let's go dig. Well, hello spindles. Y'all, there's a whole crib in here. These are my favorite spindles. You can use them for so many different projects, and it is actually really easy to take these pieces apart. I just got to try and get them in my cart. I should have got the bigger cart. That was a good find though, as soon as I walked in. There's some art, little table, cat toy. I mean, they have some some bins with more stuff than clothing, so that's great. Frames. Wow, anybody need some chairs? Because they got a lot over here. These are really cute. They look like library chairs. $3.99, y'all. $3.99. You could probably, let me turn them upside down and see how easy it would be to recover this. Okay, I'm not sure how easy it would be to recover them, but it is a beautiful, nice, solid chair. And look, with the way the bottom is, you could put a little basket and decorate underneath the chair as well. They just refilled the wall. Let's go dig. All right, I found some really good stuff on that bin change. They're changing out this side too. I didn't get to dig and see what was here before, but hopefully that side's as good as this one was. Let's do a haul. I made a little table right here so we could do a haul. I have a few of these little goose duck DIY kits, so I think I'm gonna lot a few of them together and sell them. This is a Girl Scouts tin. I'm pretty sure it's vintage. You would put it on the wall, and I guess they would put, I don't know, mail in there. Cute blue and white cup, actually ironstone. It does have a crack, but it's not that bad, so I gotta rescue it. Got some florals. Oh, look at this piece. Look at the patina on it. It is precious. I guess it's a jewelry box. I don't know, I just really liked the design on it and the patina. I got some florals, and I found a few Christmas ornaments, some Santa heads. I really like him. Look at this one. And also a little bear. I'm gonna have so much good Christmas bear stuff. If you are into that, make sure you're following me, because I'm gonna have a lot of it. This is cute. I think it's brass. It's a little baby buggy. I like this tin with the birds on it in black. No markings. It does look older to me. I think these might be picture frames, but I'm not positive. Yeah, I think they are picture frames, but you can use them in other ways. I just like the gold and the finish on them. I wouldn't do anything to them. I think they're perfect like this. You know, it'd be cute, some oversized ornaments, an oversized tag. I'm thinking a big, beautiful velvet ribbon. Of course, you could use it like frames. I have so many ideas for these. Let me know if you have any. This is a soap holder. It's a swan, and I like the blue color. It is plastic, but it's still pretty. So I grabbed that piece. I don't know what this is. I think it just came off of something. It's brass, so it'll just go in my random brass stash, and I'll figure out something to do with it. It almost would be a cute vase, and put a Christmas tree in it. You could put a flag in it. Oh, I forgot about these. I grabbed these first. These beautiful hand-painted vintage ceramic Santa napkin holders. Unfortunately, I only have 2 of them, but I love them. Then I just got some more little brass pieces in here, napkin rings, little measuring cups. Ooh, this is super heavy. Oh, what is this? Okay, I have 2 of these. This is also really heavy. I think there's some markings on it, but oh wait, this one doesn't have it. All right, let me check the other one. Yes, it had a little spout. Do y'all know what these are for? This one has a spout and this one does not. So that was really a good amount of stuff for a bin changeover. I normally do not find this much. This little piggy is so precious. I think it's a bookend, but he has lots of chips. I could paint him though, cover it up. I don't know. I think we'll get him. Maybe I'll give him a brass look. What y'all think?
If y'all think the digging is already good at the Goodwill Bins today, just wait, because it is about to get a whole lot better. But first, I want to tell y'all about my whatnot sales that I have every single Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, because everything and more that you're going to see in this video will be available, including some spindle bundles. I already cut up the crib. I have it ready to go, and I have not had spindle bundles in forever. So if you've been wanting some spindles, be sure to come hang out with me on Thursday night. And if you have no clue what whatnot is, where have you been? You have got to come and check it out. It is an app where all day long they have different live auctions going on, y'all. Anything and everything that you could possibly be interested in, I guarantee you there is a whatnot sale happening. And guess what? If you are brand new to whatnot, I have a $15 coupon that you can use to get on your first purchase on whatnot. All you have to do is sign up using the link in my description, or you can scan the QR code on my screen. So y'all do that. Y'all come hang out with me Thursday night on whatnot. Now let's get back to the Goodwill Bins, because like I told y'all, it's about to get good.
Okay, this is cool. Look, it's some vintage poker chips. I think these are wood. No, they're not. Some kind of paper, but they're hard. These are so cool. That would just look really pretty in decor. I'm gonna get all of these. Here's some more. Oh, here's some more right here. I need to get these into a box. That's a cool find. What y'all think? I love this, and then I also love the boxes that they come in. Look at this whole bin of Thomas the Train stuff. You know how much money I spent on Thomas the Train stuff for my son? And I can always find it at the Goodwill Bins. Look, wood ones. It's not into it anymore though. This little piggy is so precious. I think it's a bookend, but he has lots of chips. I could paint him though, cover it up. I don't know. I think we'll get him. Maybe I'll give him a brass look. What y'all think? Okay, this is cool. Look, it's some vintage poker chips. I think these are wood. No, they're not. Some kind of paper, but they're hard. These are so cool. That would just look really pretty in decor. I'm gonna get all of these. Here's some more. Oh, here's some more right here. I need to get these into a box. That's a cool find. What y'all think? I love this, and then I also love the boxes that they come in. Look at this whole bin of Thomas the Train stuff. You know how much money I spent on Thomas the Train stuff for my son? And I can always find it at the Goodwill Bins. Look, wood ones. It's not into it anymore though. They refilled this side and was absolute craziness, y'all. If all of the bins were like these two bins, I would never be able to leave. We got to do a haul. I got so much stuff just out of these two bins. Everything is breakable, so I'm gonna try to be careful. Look at this teapot. Actually, I need to go back and look. It might have the top in that bin. I got this cute little cup and this little, I think that's a salt cellar, that blue and white piece. Little brass pitcher. Look at the patina on there. I think I got another one of these oil lamps. It has all the different colors. I don't see the other one, but I know I have another one in here. This, I just put a bunch of these salt and pepper shakers together, whether they have the lid or not, because they are perfect for DIYs. I love these eggs. This one's marked Japan, and it is white and gold. Oh, here's a little oil lamp, the floral one. Isn't that precious? Oh, this is actually a left-in oil lamp. I thought this corn teapot would be so cute for fall. Y'all, I got not one. Wait, this looks like something special. This is a Lenox swan. Okay, I don't know if I'm sharing that. I might be keeping that swan. And another one of these pretty blue ones. A blue, white, and gold plate, my favorite combination. Blue caprice, made in Japan. A beautiful bunny mold. You actually don't use this, you just hang it on the wall. Here's another bunny right here. I need to check. They had a few of these, but they had a lot of chips. They're dirty. They are dirty. Everything needs to be clean. Cute little Christmas bear. I'm sorry, I probably said cute like 100 times. Okay, this guy, he has an issue. He's missing his front foot, but I think he's made out of stone, and I just could not leave him behind. If you put him this way, no chip. This way, it's honestly kind of hard to see him. Which stone do y'all think it is? Owls are always popular in the fall, handcrafted in Georgia. Ooh, I love this guy. I don't know who he is, but I like him. It's metal. I think maybe he went on top of something. But I'm just gonna put him on a stack of books. This will look good in my Americana decor, a vintage brass Statue of Liberty. A cute mini metal rabbit. Here's another bunny right here, and she's holding a little baby bunny. It says this one's handcrafted in Virginia, and I believe it's a shelf sitter. So she would be cute on a stack of books as well. A gold and white swirl cup. This one, porcelain, made in Japan. Does it go with that? Maybe a little. Okay, not real. Oh, there's a chip. I might put this back. It's not really my style, but I thought somebody would like this. It's very retro. I'm gonna go put it on the top shelf and let somebody else enjoy that piece. Oh, look at the color of this plate, and it is Limoges. Is that everything? Yeah. Y'all, all of this I got out of just those two bins. It's like some vintage fabric. Oh, I think it's like a valance. That's really cute, actually. What is this? Oh, stop. Y'all, it is a house trinket tray. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this was still in the bin. They brought this one out a while ago. That is exciting. They just wrote out a new bin, and look what I found. Isn't that amazing? All right. I ended up with another cart full. I think it is time for me to go because I got a lot. I can't even fit anything else in my cart. I can't believe I found this, y'all. And a whole Jenny Lynn crib. That's an awesome find. I haven't found one of these in forever. So if you remember everything that I got today, leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff. Y'all be sure to follow me for more thrifting adventures, and I will see y'all in the next one.